Hi children, we have one question from electrostatics. Here three identical charges. That means, see, this is the equilateral triangle. See here three charges are placed at corners of equilateral triangle of side L. Of side L. Then he has given force F. Force F, that is between two charges. So K into Q into Q, that is nothing but Q square by L. This is the force between any two charges of equilateral triangle. So what we have to calculate? Work. The work required to double the dimensions. Double the dimensions of triangle. So initially it is the side of length small l. Now we have to shift the charges to double the dimension. That means 2L, 2L, 2L. So the charges, there is no change in amount of charge. So this is the first system. Three charges are placed at equilateral triangle of the corners. So here the three charges only placed, but the side is increased to double of initial. So what happens here? The potential energy initial of this system, that is K. K is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is equal to K of Q square by L plus Q square by L plus Q square by L. This is the system. So in first two charges between Q into Q square by L, next Q into Q square by L, third Q into Q square by L. So net 3 Q square by L. This is initial potential energy of this first system. Next, here also we apply the final potential energy of this system. So here Q square by 2L, like that repeatedly 3. So how much we will get here? 3 Q square by 2L. This is the, if we shift the dimension to double, then the potential energy of final system. This is the potential energy of the initial system. What we want to calculate the work done to require the double the dimension of triangle. So for this work done, final potential energy minus initial potential energy. So 3 Q square by 2L minus 3 Q square by L. So we will get like this: 3 Q square by L 1 by 2 minus 1. So finally we will get 3 by 2 Q square by L. So here this term is nothing but like force. So just multiply with L, then multiply with L. Finally we will get minus 3 by 2 F L. This is the work done required to double the dimension of the triangle. So the first option is, here it is wrong, second option also wrong, third option is right. Thank you.